Welcome back on Info for Triply, and you are watching a series on basics of MATLAB programming. This is 28th video of this series in which we will discuss about how to rotate matrix by 90 degrees in MATLAB. And you are with Paramjit Singh Jamwal. First of all, we will discuss the logic to rotate matrix by 90 degrees. Suppose we have a matrix A having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, and this is a matrix of 3 by 3 order, and we want to obtain a rotated matrix by 90 degrees, that is A90, and having element 3, 6, 9, 2, 5, 8 and 1, 4, 7. And here you can clearly see that this matrix A90 is the rotated version of matrix A, and this matrix is rotated by anti-clockwise direction. So you can clearly see that 369 here, 258 is here, and 147 is here. So now to find the logic to obtain this A90 matrix from matrix A, we will rewrite both matrix in single row. So these are the elements of matrix A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, and these are the elements of the matrix A90 369, 258 and 147. So now I'm considering the first element of matrix A, which is at 1 position. For matrix A90, this element should be at the position 3 1. So from this we can identify the logic, that is at this position the jth is at 1. It may be I or it may be j of the matrix A. So it means it may be I or it may be j. If we talk about the ith position for A90 matrix, it is 3, and this is the highest order of the matrix A, that is 3 rows and 3 columns. So it may be rows or it may be columns. Now considering the second element of matrix A, that is at 1 2 position, and element is 2. For matrix A90, this element should be placed at the position 2 1. So now j is still at 1 for matrix A90, and for matrix A 1 is for ith, so it means it is the I, not a j. If we talk about the ith position of matrix A90, it is at 2, and it is the proportional to the j of the matrix A, so it means it is not R, it will be C, and it is decreased, so it means we need to subtract it by j minus 1 term. So now I'm considering the sixth element of matrix A, which is at 2 3 position, and for matrix A90 it should be at 1 2 position. So now you can see that its jth position is 2, and which is proportional to ith position of A, so it is correct here. And if we talk about the ith position of this element, so it is at 1, and its C is 3 and j is 3, so 3 minus 1 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1, so it is 1. So it means this is a logic to rotate the matrix A by 90 degrees. So now we are moving toward the practical session on MATLAB. In this video we will continue the simulation we have created in 27th video of this series. So first of all, open that MATLAB program and save this MATLAB program with different name. First of all, we will update its comment, how to rotate matrix by 90 degrees in MATLAB. So after that, update its variable name. So as this matrix is to rotate, so I'm renaming it by A90, and here one warning is coming: press shift plus enter to rename 3 instances of RA to A90. So with single short command we can rename other two variable also. RA is also here and RA is also here. So shift plus enter, and you can see that all other two variable name is changed to A90. So after that, we will update the logic to rotate matrix, and that logic is here. So initially it should be C minus J minus 1, at second term will be I. So this is the logic to rotate matrix by 90 degrees. And further we will change its display name. Now it will be rotated matrix A90 by 90 degrees. I'm also removing this backslash n because it is used to shift the cursor to next line, and I don't want to shift the cursor. So now save this program and run this program. So now it is asking to enter any matrix. So I am entering same matrix discussed in the presentation. So here you can clearly see that we have obtained the desired matrix, which is rotated by 90 degree from matrix A. So this is sufficient for today. I am thankful to Jana AA for her appreciating words. If this video is useful to you, then like and share it. If you have any query or suggestion, then let me know through your comments. If you want to get the notification about our upcoming videos, then subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. Thank you for being with us.